Brad Williams, Excel primed. Using your knowledge from previous sessions, here we're going to have another SUMIF, and in this case we're going to look at criteria of less than and greater than. We're going to use the single criteria. We're going to use the range and criteria and some features. We're going to use pretty much the same layout as the previous SUMIF. Here we have a range, we have an invoice, we have random dates, we have amounts, we have an age. What are we going to do? We want to sum up the totals in the range of all criteria that's less than or equal to 30. And then we want to take a look at everything greater than 30. Simple enough. Here's the function, SUMIF, the age, which is the range, the criteria, less than or equal to 30. We didn't put in quote, less than equal 30. We can just point to the criteria. And then we have our amount, which is already noted in a range name. Notice we have the name ranges here, and we don't need to go D5 to D12, E5 to E12. We can take care of this beforehand and name these ranges, highlight the range, and it will fill in automatically. And that's it. We're going to add that up, and we have 3950. The same with greater than. Notice we have the range G6 as greater than 30. That means we won't add if anyone is 30. That's in the previous calculation. Here it's greater than 30. The number is 1300. You can go in and manually do it, but it's a very simple, straightforward SUMIF, name ranges and pointing to the criteria within your function. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.